Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, let's get a screen grab of that. And I'm going to look around to see what I can find of this. Okay, so I've got a Mosfet here that I picked out of the collection. It's a brand new one. And I checked it and compared it to the other one that we took out. And this one is very similar. This is an enhanced. If you ever notice this NE, this is an enhanced MOSFET. This one was a depletion MOSFET. Now, we don't know what this is. We don't know if this is right or not. It was on the board. We have no way of checking it. So we're going to take a swing for the fence. And we're going to install this one and see what happens. To remind you, the problem was that this didn't turn on at 12 volts. It had to go up to like 15 volts. And that, I'm assuming, is not really what should be happening. We did have that loose capacitor that I think we're going to install here. It's going to be hard to test these because this is all in parallel. And this is probably for higher or lower frequencies. Just giving it a little heat to bring it up the temp a bit. Now, since this is brand new, I like to tin these. Give it a little fighting chance. It's a little bright, sorry. This one tins pretty good, so some of the cheap ones don't like to take it. This thing's sitting on an angle, and I don't like it. See how this thing's rocking on me? Ah. And that's probably how that cap went away. Ah, this thing's sitting on an angle. Board's got a little thickness to it. I can feel it. It's taking a lot to heat it up. This thing's just rocking back and forth. See how the leg of that MOSFET's right in line with that missing cap? It looks good for now. We're going to come back to it. So let's get it back together. Put some power on it and see what we get. I get to try and get this ribbon cable in here. These are always enjoyable. Especially with this bend in it. Come on. It's a tricky one. Okay, don't need this, don't need that. Don't know what that does. So we're going to start off with 12 volts because it wasn't working at 12 volts. Let's see what happens now. Alright, are we ready here? Let's see what happens. Get 12 volts, 2 amps. And we got no blip this time. And we're still not turning on. Let's go to 15 or 16. And we're actually getting nothing now. Did I not get this ribbon on good? That looks alright. This is all on. The only thing we changed was that MOSFET. We're connected right. Everything looks good. Power. And we're getting nothing now. Okay. Oops. Did we lose our black? Hold on. I don't think it's going to make a difference, but I think I lost my negative here. Got no blip. And we got nothing. Okay. Let's put the other MOSFET back on. Don't like bending this that much. I don't wind up causing a failure on this ribbon. Let's go back to the 12. You see how we got that little blip? So we're getting something different now. And you see how it turns on at 16 volts? Is that right or wrong? So is this what I tell the client? It's got to be 16 volts? So at 14 volts it kicks off. 15 volts, it's okay. Alright, I'm not sure what to do yet. I'm going to see if I've got some other MOSFETs and we'll give them a try.